explain to you when will you receive your subsidy card, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so please hold on the line like 5 to 10 seconds.
Okay.
Hello.
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 Can you hear me?
Yes. Good morning. Thanks for holding the line. My name is David Gillespie, and I'm the financial advisor here. How are you doing today?
Good.
All right. This sounds great. So I hope my representative, she explained it to you. It's and everything about the subsidies and the MasterCard, right? Right.
Okay.
All right. So here, let me go ahead and explain it to you once again more about this program. So in this Affordable Care Act, is also known as a government program. So to this program, your number got shortlisted for the government subsidies and make you eligible for a $0. And in additional benefits, you will get such as food stamps, grocery discount, monthly allowance, and a MasterCard. All right? So
Okay.
don't worry for this. You're not gonna pay even a single cent out of your pocket, nor you're not gonna pay back in future as well. All right?
Okay.
So, are you familiar with this MasterCard or you're not?
No.
All right. So, let me explain it to you. MasterCard, it's like a debit card, like a CVS, Walmart, Walgreens card, okay?
Okay.
So, with this card, you can use it for paying off your bills, like for your groceries bill, utility, rent, monthly allowance, and your medical expenses as well.
Okay, I could put
Like
that
for
to
your
use.
OPDs, dental visions. I'm sorry?
I said yes, I could put that to use.
Yeah, so you can use it for paying off your bills, like for your groceries bill, utility, rent, monthly allowance, and your medical expenses as well.
Rent too?
Like for your OPDs, dental, yes,
Okay.
like for your dental vision, surgery, prescription, co-pays, and other more. All right.
Okay.
So in this MasterCard, there will be a preloaded amount of $1,153 each month for 1 year. All right.
Okay.
So once I verify
1153.
your information, yes. So once I verify your information, I will connect you with your state local area license agent, and you're gonna have rewards with them. So don't worry, it will be a two-way conversation. I'm not gonna hide anything from you, okay?
Okay.
And here, sir, I can see that you're 42 years old, and what's your date of birth?
7/19/1983.
All right. And sir, what will be the best mailing address where we can mail it out your subsidies and your MasterCard?
It is 7679 B as in boy, I as in iris, R as in road, and D as in drive, and then it's drive.
All right, Paris, right? B-I-E-R-S,
RD.
right?
It's I.
B-I-E-R-D.
Yeah.
And after that?
It's drive. D
All right.
R.
I got you. So is there any apartment number, unit number?
What's that? Oh no. It's a house address.
All right, so that means that is 7679 Park Drive, right? B-E-A-R-D, right?
Yeah.
And your city, state, and your city is
Farmington.
Farmington, Missouri, right?
Correct.
All right, got you. Farmington, Missouri. All right, so that is 7679 Bert, B-E-A-R-D, right? B as in boy, E as in Edward, A as in Apple, R as in Romeo, D as in Delta, right?
Right. Yeah, it's a side street.
All right, it's Bert Side Street Drive, Farmington, Missouri.
Yeah.
So what happened? I can't find any address in the US portal with this address, which you got.
Well, it's a side road.
How do you spell that after Bert? It's Side Drive, right?
Yeah. Side.
So that is 7679 Bart, B-E-A-R-T, and Fide, F-I-D-E, Drive, Farmington, Missouri, 63640, right?
Right.
All right, got you. All right, so what happened, sir? I can't find any address with this.
Well, I thought you said you got me. You said you got. I thought you said you found me.
No, sir, in the US.
You said.
I can't find in the US portal, sir.
Oh. Well, I'm in the system. I'm on Google. Isn't it called Google, or is it Safari?
Yeah, Yeah, can you please repeat it?
I'm
once
on
again?
there.
Your address, can you please spell it?
I'm on there.
Can you please help me out once again?
7, and then the road was B.
You say 76, 79, or 76?
No, 76, 39, and it's BIRDES. Well, the second word starts with SIDE.
SSN, right?
What's that?
You say after BIRDE, and the second word that is S like Sam, I as in igloo, D as in Delta, E as in Edward, right?
Right side.
And drive, that is Farmington, Missouri, right?
Right. Well, it's Street Drive. STREET, then DRIVE.
Alright, Street Drive, Farmington, Missouri, and your zip code is 63640.
Correct. That's Farmington, Missouri zip code.
Alright. And how do you spell your last name?
NOLAND.
And your first name is John.
Yeah.
And what's your email?
It's DONWON at Gmail.
Alright, at gmail.com.
Yes, sir.
And you don't have any insurance?
No.
And you're a non-smoker?
Yep.
And do you have any source of income?
No. No, I don't work. That,
Alright.
that was kind of worky.
Alright,
I didn't
so-
like that.
Alright, so here, in order to get qualified for these subsidies and the tax credit here, if they ask you, do you have any source of income? So in order to get qualified, so just simply tell them that you're self-employed and you make $22,000 in a year, okay?
Okay. Well, I mean, I do maybe. When I go for walks, I pick up change.
Self-employed and you make $22,000, okay?
Okay. I'm What's that mean if you collect change?
You have a car
Okay.
wash, or you drive an Uber.
I am self-employed. Yeah.
Or you work as a construction, whatever you want, okay? Or as a carpenter.
Got it.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know how to do carpentry.
And do you file tax?
What are those? I mean, I don't. No, I used to pay property tax, but then they took that away.
So if they ask you, do you file your taxes? So simply tell them that yes, I do file my taxes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I do.
So
I pay property tax when I have property.
Yeah, so keep in mind, that you're a non-smoker, you do file your taxes. Self-employed, you make $22,000 in a year, and you do file taxes. All right?
Got it.
And you don't have any insurance.
Okay.
So now what I'm gonna do is, before I connect you with your state licensed agent, I'm gonna take a verification call with you. So take this call as a first call, and imagine that we are talking to each other for the first time. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So here we go. So my name is David Gillespie, calling you from Health and Human Services. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. So do you have an active health insurance policy to the marketplace?
No.
All right. So now what I'm gonna do is, before I connect you with your state licensed agent, so I'm gonna ask you some basic information. What's your first and last name and your date of birth?
DON, and that's my first name. And you need my second or my last name? Okay. Yeah, it's N.
And your date of birth.
Okay, it's NOLAND. It's 7/19/1983.
And what's your mailing address in your zip code?
It's 7639 well, it's Street Drive. That's where everybody gets it wrong. But it's BIRD, and then the word street, STREET, and then drive, DRIVE. And then it's the zip code there. The zip code there is 63640.
Alright, so the address we do say that is 7679 Bart, like an eagle, right? Like a sparrow Bart, right?
BIRD.
And Side Street Drive, right?
Correct.
Alright. And what's your employment status and how much you make in a year?
Hold on, I wrote that down. 22,000.
And your employment status, like full-time, part-time, self-employed?
Well, it's full time to come up with that much change a year usually.
Uh-huh. And do you file your taxes?
Yeah. When I gotta pay them, I do. Yeah, that's every year, I think.
And do you have any preferred doctors, hospitals, medications?
Only when I got run over, probably that one time.
And do you have any pending or any upcoming surgery?
No surgery scheduled now.
And are you a smoker or you're non-smoker?
Yeah, I don't smoke.
And do you have any Medicare or Medicaid?
No, I need to get that stuff.
Alright, benefits. However, the marketplace may offer wellness programs where you can earn points for healthy activities and redeem them for.
Okay.
So now, before I connect you, so I'm gonna take a verification. I'm gonna read out the consent to you. So if you agree, please say yes. All right.
Yes.
So you authorize a licensed advisor to review your coverage, check for better options, and update your application if needed, including changes to your authorized representative. You also agree to be transferred even if your number is listed on any state or federal. Do not fall with this fee. So do I have your consent to proceed and connect you with your state licensed agent?
Hold on, I wrote that down. Yes.
All right. So keep in mind, so I'm gonna connect you with your state licensed agent. So let me reconfirm it once again. Your address, that is 7679, right? Or 39?
Yeah. 39's right.
So 7639 BART, B-I-R-T, right?
Yep. Inside.
And B-I-R-T, S-I-D-E,
Yep.
Street Drive, Farmington, Missouri, 63640, right?
Yep.
All right. So I'm going to connect the line with your state license agent, so just bear with me. So you're going to get a $0 health insurance. So just go ahead and send it and go and enroll it for the medical all right? For
Yeah,
the medical.
that'll work.
All
I
right?
get out of my box that way. Yep.
All right. So I'm going to connect you, so just bear with me, okay?
Okay.
And here, is this your previous address, zip code 63670?
Yeah.
All right. So if they ask you,
I had a bigger box there.
here, Mr. Nolan, if they ask you, have you moved in the past 60 days? So if they ask you, have you moved in the past 60 days? So tell them that, yes, I did move in the past 60 days. If they ask you, what's your previous zip code? So tell them that it's 63670. And if they ask you, what's the date? So tell them that you moved in the month of April 1st, okay?
Okay, hold on. I gotta write this down so I remember what to say. 63.
I'm gonna tell it to them, so no need to worry, all right?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to connect the line, so you're going to get a tax credit. I don't know how much you're going to receive.
Thank you for calling Affordable Care Act Enrollment Center. This call is being recorded. Please hold for the next available agent.
Yes.
All right, so just bear with me, okay?
Yep.
All right, so just bear with me. So I'm going to connect you.
Am I
All right,
connected?
just bear with me, okay?
Yep.
No, just stay now with me. I'm going to connect you.
Okay.
All right?
What button do I gotta push?
I'm sorry?
What button do I gotta push?
Yeah, just stay now with me. I'm going to connect you, okay?
Okay, yeah. I'll press the green one. I'm not trying to waste our actual people's time. That was just some rando trying to get some money out of the system themselves, I guess, by using me. Who knows? Not my problem.